I, Musalia Mudavadi, was never trained to be a liar. I will not begin lying to Kenyans in my ripe age. I desire to lead the change back to economic prosperity, to reclaim the soul of our country, to offer trust that I will always tell Kenyans the truth. Do what I say and not promise what I cannot do. In the past, Kenya has experienced many turning points where her history has refused to turn because there was no will to turn it. Trust issues have a very special place in my heart and in my life. A person must be as good as his or her word. If your word cannot be your bond, then you are not good even for the ash pit. About the so-called public-private partnerships. The private partners in these cartel-style deals are people in government, working with their close family members and cronies. These people are literally eating up the country. They are eating you up. These cartels do not even pay taxes. These are the real thieves in the country. Ni kweli tusidanganyane.